Welcome you all to the Busy Beans Cafe. Good evening, all of you. Welcome you all to the Busy Beans Cafe. As we have gathered here to discuss some important aspect of the Busy Beans Cafe. As we all know about our mission is to enhance our customer with the freshest ingredient and the flavor while surprising, exciting each guest and personal care and services. And be aware about the visions. Vision must be clear about all visions must be clear in our mind. Our visions are to be the leading cafe around the world by offering the guideline principle of integrity, service, quality, and relationship. Okay, the Busy Beans Cafe up in the Busy Beans Cafe, we have a certain meeting agendas like first business goal, second timelines. We need to create the progress report, and then we need to think what extra we can do it. And what's the company key role and what's the goal of our company. Definitely increasing revenue will be the first goal, because finance is the blood of any organization. Without finance we cannot run our organization. And secondly, we need to continue adding the more menu items, because continue adding more menu items will increase our revenue. Definitely our first priority is to inspire our growth. Can you? Okay. Next. What's a year look like? Okay. So we have a year plan. We have our action plan. On 1st of February, we are going to have a meeting in which we are going to talk in house SEP and head barrister to review the current revenue. Okay. And on 2nd April, we are going to have a plan on the test menu, whether the quality of good what we produce and what we sell, whether it tastes good or not. And then on 3rd of May, we are going to have a gather meeting, source of ingredient, where from where we are going to we are getting all source and ingredient, and whether we are going to add some more items in the menu. Then finally on 4th of August or April, we are going to formulate it, and on the last of December, 5th December, we are going to launch. This is our action plan. Yes. To-do list. These are the list. First, review the past menu changes. We need to review our past menu changes, whether what new items we can add. Then we have to review the consumer feedbacks. Whatever we are consumers are giving the feedback, we need to review. We need to change according to that. We need to study the food trends. What are the trending food? What are the food are trending in the customer minds, and what are the food trending in the students' minds? And according to that, we need to trend our food. And fourth, meeting with executive boards. We need to have a meeting once in a month or a 2 month, because it's starting only. We need to have a meeting 2 or 3 months in a quarterly. We need to meet. And the fifth, meeting with the head chef and barista. Most priority thing is that we need to meet with the chef who is organizing the meal, who is providing the meal, who is selling the meal. We need to have a constant touching with that. Then only we can progress later. Next. Where we are at now, and where we are supposed to be at in the past 2020, and now where we have to be in the to generate the revenue at 2022. We need to at least open 8 branch. We need to have at least 5,67,890 customer, as this is my expectation. And we need to generate the revenue above the 35 lakhs to open all the 8 branches. We need to have a customer feedback more than 3 out of 5. We need to accomplish our goal more than 67% is complete out of this. We need to at least open 4 branch all over the India. Next. Monthly sales. Data includes sales from all which customer we are going to target, whether it is going to be 18 years to 24 years, 25 to 30, according to that area, we need to target our audience, whether it is a youth crowded, whether it is a middleman, or whether it's a old age crowded. We need to target according to that. We need to update our menu according to that only. Next. Revenue. From where we can generate the revenue. We need, for all these, we need to generate the revenue. Maximum we need to have crores or 2 crores of rupees for all that. And what are the marketing strategies we can use? Social media is the best marketing platform. As we all know, due to COVID-19, all the marketing strategies are going on the social media only. We need to more emphasize on the social media, traditional media, branch effort, PR event, and the partnership. We need to engage more and more partners so that we can open our firm more and more, and we can expand our firm. Next. Next step, for upcoming quarters, we need to have a planning. We need to have a planning according. We need to have a planning to expand. We need to have more research about the places where we can open, where we can execute our plan. We need to have a prototype production. We need to have a testing. We need to have a testing of order. We need to have a testing of food. We need to have a testing of client. We need to have a testing of employees. We need to be a quality assurance. We need to give the quality assurance to our valuable customers. We need to implement some plans. We need to follow up. We need to have a proper documentation so that no other illegal things can happen in future and upcoming quarters. Next. Main tasks ahead. We need to marketize. We need to study the customer survey. We need to study. We need to increase our social media presence. Unless and until we are not going to increase the social media presence, we are not going to connect with the people. For connecting with the people, we need to have a social media present. We need to have a established website. We need to contact with the youth. For contacting with the youth, we need to have the website, app, and all the social networking platform. So for better understanding, for opening all this firm, I would like to invite Mihir Karani, our financial head, to throw some light on it, from where we can generate the fund. Over to you, Mihir. Thank you.
Okay, so let's take a short break and get back to the finance.
मुझे recording बंद कर दिया?